We are pleased to show you the 2018 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, rear floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.